We have been called in by a regular customer who has just bought a second-hand Lamborghini Aventador and wants to give it a proper deep clean to remove any traces of the previous owner and make it a brand new car again. Okay chaps, we've just arrived at the customer's location. It's a bit earlier than planned and this is the spot we're going to be washing out. He's going to be coming from that direction there and I want to guide him to this section here. I need to put a cone quickly just so nobody takes our spot here. Here it comes, chaps. Holy moly. And my friends, good to see you again. How are you? Not too bad.
There's one thing I need to show you. See it in the sun here.
Ah, yeah. I'll get my machine polished out. And is there anything else you want us to be mindful of? Like just
the engine.
Just the engine, okay.
Water.
Okay, cheers. See you in a bit. Thank you. So it's not that bad, but when you buy a used car, it needs to be given a full reset clean, getting every inch of the interior, making it factory fresh again. So let's get started. Chaps, if you're interested in getting your hands on the products which I use to get these amazing results every time, then visit tinocarker.com. We will now let the carpets and footwell area dry up as we move on to the exterior. So chaps, as you heard the customer, he wants us to avoid putting water in this area here, and he also mentioned the vents. So the plan is, I'm going to open this up, I'm going to put a couple of drying towels here just so we can protect his engine. With the wheels done, let's move on to the pre-wash. The Tino Yellow Snow Foam. Buckets ready, let's hand wash this beast. Wait a second, why does an Italian Lamborghini have Chinese writing? Let's coat this beauty in Tino ceramic snow foam. Nice and dry. Let's give it a good protection and shine with the Tino exterior detailer. Inside we go, cleaning every detail from leather to trim. Let's polish out the scratch the customer pointed out. Let's give these tires that final pop. Yeah, that should be okay.
Don't jet wash, but do wipe it.
Okay, so just wipe this section.
Yeah.
Jet wash
Yeah,
just the
jet
wheels.
wash.
Okay, and regarding this car, I managed to remove like 90% of that mark, but there was another one underneath. Down here, it looks like this could be from a door. But other than that, we deep cleaned everything, carpet, seats.
Looks amazing.
Yeah.
It's hero now. That's what you're famous for.
Thank you, man. So guys, he's just brought over his motorbike and he's instructed us to clean it, but with caution. So just use water on the wheels, so front and back, but avoid this whole section using water. So we're gonna have to use a Tino Exterior Detailer, which also acts as a waterless wash because it cleans and it protects. It gives it a nice, safe, shiny clean. But it looks quite straightforward. The Lambo's finished and this one will be finished in no time. Never use tire shine on a bike, as when they are turning, bikes lean on their sides. Here's the final look for the Ducati. Very fresh indeed. And let's not forget about the Aventador. It's shining like crazy. See you in the next one, chaps.